I've been on holiday. Pay for the team with my DNA. I've been on getting the.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this time we are going to be reacting to KSI featuring Anne-Marie and Digital Farm Animals. The song Don't Play, but this time is the acoustic version. So the last one that he dropped, I think it was with Lighter. Yeah, I think it was the Lighter song. It was crazy. It was absolutely mad. I loved it. I love to hear like just like that, just just them singing just like that. It was lovely. So this time we're going to be reacting to this one. It's actually number 6 on trending, which is pretty it's pretty awesome for all of them. And yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into it.
Don't play games with my
Hold on. Oh shit, my headphones is not on. Come on, man, don't disappoint me like that. Okay.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels.
JJ, what? What you wearing, bro? What in the mathematic equation is this? I don't even know what he says. But anyway, let's go. Digital Farm Animals.
Don't play, yeah.
Don't play games with my heart.
Ooh, now the feels hit me differently.
Hey.
When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah.
Wait, hold up.
Don't play.
Did he change his verse? Cause all our time with the moon with me, we have fun on the trees. Where's that?
Nah, I'm sick of this. Not this time, I'm leaving this. Life's too short to be hanging on all of your words in the hope that we go back to you and me ever believing this.
This guy is the GOAT. This guy is the GOAT. I'm telling you, like, bro, we were expecting like a double version. He literally just changed his verse like Jack Harlow did for What's Poppin'. Like, what's this? Hold on.
Nah, I'm sick of this. Not this time, I'm leaving this. Life's too short to be hanging on all of your words in the hope that we go back to you and me ever believing this. An imposter among us. You need me, then like.
I knew. He's been playing too much Among Us, bro. He's been playing too much Among Us with the sideman, like this guy.
No, we're lovers.
An imposter among us. An imposter among us.
You need me, then like that we're lovers. You need me to hype up your summers. And I need you hearing me, but now you've just gone missing. You're airing all
just
my
wishes.
You're online, but you won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This is in no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap.
Hey, hey, yo, this guy is the GOAT. He's winning. No matter what, you gotta give it to him. He's winning. And this song gotta go platinum, man. He deserves it. He's been putting a lot of hard work into it, and he deserves it. And obviously, in combination with Anne-Marie and Digital Farm Animals, like, bro, that's a banger, bro.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh,
hey.
Now the feels hit me differently.
Okay.
When the hitting is deep, don't play. Yeah. All the things you're doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Yeah, I've seen it all before. Everything you.
And one thing, they literally do it in the boxing ring as well, because in the original video, right, they Anne-Marie was training for a match, or they were all in the boxing ring. So like, yo, the whole thing is crazy.
Yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. Yeah, and I win them all.
Cause now you've just just gone missing.
My time is my wishing.
You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me in hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games with my heart.
Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. Hey.
When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah.
But KSI, one thing, what kind of outfit is this, bro? I'm pretty sure you're being sponsored because this outfit ugly as fuck, my boy. What you doing?
Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah.
Hell yeah, big shout out to them, man. They literally killed this. Like, bro, I wasn't expecting for that beat to go crazy like that. You know, the guy was literally, oh my god, that's an instrument, and I don't know what kind of what was it called, but like it was actually going crazy. Like, bro, big shout out to them, and big shout out to them too. They're doing bits. Anne Marie is a well-known artist from long time. KSI as well, but you know, KSI, he has some learning to do still. Obviously, he has some learning to do. But Anne Marie is already up there. She's signed up with a big ass label. I don't know which one it is, but she is. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the video. Take it easy and peace.